speak to my organizational brain. It basically goes and searches for information. I have more than 16,000 emails on my Gmail, so I've connected 3 accounts and almost 2,000 files. It's like an organizational brain that I have built. It's open source. I posted it on Build With Sumit's GitHub. Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you had a great weekend. So this weekend I sat down and decided to build like a AI brain for my organization. I'm calling it Globus. So basically it has access to all your emails, so you can connect your Gmail. Let me show you how it works. So it has all these data sources, so you can connect it to your Gmail, Google Drive, Google Analytics. It will basically, so what it does, it parses all your files and ingests them into an Obsidian vault. There is an LLM in the backend, so I'm using DeepSeek for the LLM. You can use Anthropic, like you can use Claude Sonnet or Claude Opus, or use whatever I like, because I had a huge number of files, as you can see from my vault here. I have more than 16,000 emails on my Gmail, so I've connected 3 accounts and more than almost 2,000 files. DeepSeek is pretty reasonable. It costed me like $5 to index all these files. So essentially what it does is it collected all this data, put it into an Obsidian vault. In the front end there is ElevenLabs, where I can speak to my organizational brain, and it basically goes and searches for information. If first it searches the Obsidian vault. If it finds information there, it replies from that. Otherwise it uses the LLM to search my Drive and Gmails, and I've also given Google Analytics, and I'm building connectors. Like I will connect my CRM, I will connect Aircall, which my salespeople use for calling. So basically it's like an organizational brain that I have built, and it's open source. I posted it on Build With Sumit's GitHub. So if you need the source code, just comment Globus and I will send you the link to the source code. You can build and install this for your own organization. So I will show you how it works. I will connect a live Gmail and a live Google Drive and live analytics account to it. So first thing you need to do is you have to go to connect your data sources. So make sure you are logged into the, so I'm logged in at Sumit@Chingari Gmail here. So make sure you are logged in at the Gmail that you want to use Globus with. And then you go and connect your Google account basically. So it will ask for authentication. So you sign in because this app is not verified. I mean, obviously I'm the developer of the app, so I trust it. I built it myself, so I'm gonna continue. But eventually, like, I'm going to release the source code of this application, so you can set it up for yourself and then use it. Okay, now here you have to select everything. You have to give access to your Gmail, your Drive and Google Analytics data so that DeepSeek can process it. So here you can see, like, based on the pending files, it will auto adjust the throughput. And basically right now it is processing 251. It is processing like 251 to 64 files per hour. So around 18 to 20 minutes it will process everything. So I just added like my Chingari documents. So Chingari's Gmail, Chingari's Google Drive files and Analytics, Google Analytics. I gave access to Globus. So it's basically indexing all the files, adding them to my Obsidian vault. And then on the side, the LLM is also processing all this data. So once this data is indexed, we will be able to basically ask Globus, and ask Globus about this data. The final goal is basically to build agents on top of this data. So Globus can, the AI interface right now that I'm building, it's the brain. The brain cannot do things. Like, brain can process information and it can build notes. It can process information and it can take decisions, but it cannot actually act. So for doing the actions, I will be building agents on top of this brain. Those agents will be on Hermes, or like you can use a third-party agent framework. I prefer Hermes because I've worked on that. So I'll be using Hermes to build agents. So the agent can basically go and write an email for you, or it can do some specific tasks. You have to just tell the agent and it will do those tasks for you. So that's something that I'm gonna do next weekend. So let me show you how Globus works with whatever data it has right now. when you log into Build with Sumit, in the members section, you will be able to access Globus. So this is how the interface of Globus looks. You to wake it up, you have to just press tab, like you have to just press on the interface.
Globus online. What's on your mind?
Hey Globus, how are you doing today? Tell me something that you know about me. You have access to all my Gmail, Google Drive. What do you know about me?
I know you've been building software companies for about 19 years. You still write code every week, and you're running roughly a dozen products at once. With EMP Monitor carrying about 55% of your operating income, I also know you're burning about 6 lakh rupees a month and funding it personally, which means you're betting on yourself harder than most founders would.
Okay, tell me something about EMP Monitor. Tell us what all products Globosoft is building today. Do you know which all products Globosoft is building?
Globosoft's active product lineup right now is roughly a dozen. EMP Monitor is the cash cow. Employee monitoring, about 490 paid customers. Power Ad Spy is the ad intelligence tool. Ad SGPT for agentic ad creation. Video AIQ for vision AI on CCTV feeds. Medcore for hospital management. Calified for AI voice dialers. Carrotflow for jewelry ERP. And then there's the consumer side through Tech 4 Billion. Chingari, AstroLive, Calorie Tracker Buddy, and Lawyer Buddy. Plus Globosoft.ai for AI consulting and OpenClaw deployments.
Interesting. Okay, Globus, tell me which of my SaaS products are getting the maximum traffic from Google. Like rank my SaaS products based on the traffic that they are getting from Google.
Here's the ranking by page views from your Google Analytics report for May 16th to June 12th. Number 1 is ADES GPT, 6,130 page views. Number 2 is EMP Monitor, the main site at 6,140 views, plus the attendance and monitoring subpages at 3,800 and 3,700 each. So EMP Monitor collectively is the biggest traffic driver. Number 3 is Power Ad Spy, about 3,000 views on the main page plus 2,900 on the best social media ad spy tool page. The login page actually got the most views at nearly 11,000.
As you can see here, Sumit at Chingari sync is still running. Let's see the live vault progress. Wow, so the throughput is really high. It is processing like 1,000 files per hour. So we should be like finishing up really soon. So it's basically discovering new files and trying to process them as soon as it finds them. So here you can see like the pending files are almost next to 0. So like it basically picks the entire batch together. So we should be like finishing this really soon.